Next thing you know, cat's on the pole.
Boys, plug it in.
Oh yeah!
Plug it in while he's in there. It'll be fun. We'll get lots of views. Hey team, so I'm with the Canada Catalyst today, and I have my friend Cody and his girlfriend here, Andrew Moore, and his pit crew.
The thing's so small.
I know, it's a little baby GoPro.
Oh, that's awesome.
We have a collection of airbags here. We have, how many altogether? We have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What, we have 15?
There's one in the back window too.
There's one in the back window, so we'll have 16 in total. Yeah.
And the one in the steering wheel.
And there's still one in the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Okay, so 17 in total. We're gonna.
And maybe that one in that Volvo, if we get enough time.
All right, 17 or 18 airbags. So a lot of airbags. We're gonna put it in this car and then set them all off and see what kind of damage we can do. All right, so next up, we're gonna wire all these up before we get them in the car. So I gotta start stripping some wires on the
Ryan, get stripping.
airbags. I might get kicked off of YouTube if I do it the way I think you're asking me to.
This whole work thing sucks.
Yeah, what is this manual labor stuff?
I'll get you some music going.
Oh,
You need that.
Yeah, we need that. So that we need to strip these wires.
Expose would be the best way to do this.
Oh man, this one's prehistoric. One wire.
Just
oh
one.
no, what right there?
Oh, it's got a thingy in
Never
it.
mind. So this one we'll put in the backup pile. Because we can't really do that.
Oh wait, to the end. No, I want more wire.
My opinion is that I can just demolish this whole back.
I'm the best.
Oh yeah, you are.
Which other ones am I doing?
I'm gonna need those back. I can't get the little ones with this.
Hey, which one do you think is stripping them?
As I recall, I'm pretty sure you were the one that was stripping wires.
True.
I wrecked that one too!
You're definitely an amateur car guy, aren't you?
Well, yeah. I just like looking at them, really. I don't even know how to drive.
You know how to crash them.
You were right. I do know how to do
Okay,
that.
I'm just picking on you, buddy. You know we love you.
Well, I mean, it's not like you're lying, though.
No,
Where's
you
my
got,
Eclipse right now?
Male and female ends.
What? When a man loves a woman.
When a man loves a woman.
You have a wire, but you want to hook to another wire. I want to hook to
What is going on over there?
the end I want. No.
Yeah.
No, I need no. Ground.
Yeah.
You're missing some wire there, my guy.
Shh, you don't need all of it.
Matthew?
We don't worry about that.
Well, you just look at that. Just look at that. Look at this. Look at that.
We're gonna take that to the next airbag
Yes.
in the back. To the back window.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need some more wiring.
Where's the roll of duct tape?
Yeah, where's the
I never had the roll of duct tape. I don't know where it is.
Don't blame me. It's
Duct tape.
Everything's wired up in a circuit. There's the ones in the back window. The ones go into the trunk, but the trunk is taped closed, so it blows open when the bags go off. And the car is about to be live. We have the power running to it. Just hooking her up. Alright, I hope they can hear me. The car is live, and we're ready to set it off. I don't want to be anywhere near this car. No, please. No! The cats! You must stay safe. Shoo. Now I feel bad. I wanted to pet it. Canada Catalyst, you good?
Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Live.
It's live?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
The hell?
You got 13 airbags hooked up.
13
13.
inside this car?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
He goes,
Stand
ooh.
just over on this side.
He's standing right next to the car. He's like, wait, this one?
Yeah, okay. Alright.
Are we live?
Yeah.
All right.
We're going in 3.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Is that it?
That was it? Some of them didn't go off.
The window one didn't even go off.
All right, take 3. Let's see if we can do it this time.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Damn!
And the cat goes running.
That doesn't work. There's a window.
Holy wow.
Did you hear that in there?
Fuck, I heard it alright.
Wow.
I didn't realize it was going to be that much damage.
Now, I want to.
Dang.
Good lord.
Holy shit.
Did we get the back one too, boys?
Nope, back one's fine.
Back one didn't go off? Oh, it did. It just didn't break the window.
It didn't break the window though.
That's
Wow. It just blew apart. Didn't break the window.
That's crazy.
I think we just have.
It wants a toe.
We just have one that. We have one that didn't go off though. That might be just poor wiring. Like the plug might be messed up.
Did that one didn't go off?
Big one didn't.
Didn't go off.
Oh, it's not hooked on.
Are we still missing one?
Oh, hook it on. Drag. Drag.
Is that camera?
Oh man, what a guy.
Ready, boys?
Yep.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Nope.
No.
There's something wrong with that air.
Yeah, I think that one maybe got wet.
Yeah.
It must have been in the water or something, or plug in or something.
It's a dud.
Well, I think all 13 are off now.
Where's the pickaxe?
You gonna change your shirt?
Alright.
Where's the? You gotta get the horse mask on.
I can't see with the horse mask on.
You don't
Fucking-
need to.
Get up there.
I'm gonna
It's
take
not
my
on
foot
the
off with
car.
this.
Just crouch when you swing.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy.
What a boy.
Look at this guy.
Alright, which one?
All right,
Front or
so-
back?
I want the back.
Swing it like a man.
No, no.
Come on.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Oh, he's so strong. He
Fuck
broke
it.
the
Broke the
pickaxe.
pickaxe.
Ryan.
Wow. What an amateur car guy.
What an amateur car guy. We're live. I'm live.
All right.
Just roll the window down. Oh yeah.
You don't have any Grey Poupon. Yeah, break the GoPro. Okay, let's go. This is like bulletproof.
Oh, you did get it. Cody, do you want to go?
You did blow a hole in the speaker, actually.
Did we?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Ooh.
Wow. Okay.
Here, do the last one.
Don't cut your hands.
Don't try.
Sign this waiver, please. Scaring the cat.
There it goes.
All right. Now.
Hands are just soaked in blood.
My hands are soaked in blood.
Yeah. Gotta stick your head out. Stick your horse head out the window when you're driving this thing.
Yeah.
And just go, what happened, boys?
Well, the good news is the cops will never pull you over for tinted windows.
We never got this battery hooked up because if we had hooked it up, we would have probably detonated that dash airbag. But we had her hooked up. Ah!
Getting attacked by a Cadillac.
Oh, the horn works.
Airbag.
Yeah, the airbag blew off the air.
It blew the frickin'.
Oh, the one in the
Get those, airbags
the one in the steering wheel went off.
Well, we gotta get that horn disconnected. But it sounds like there's more than one horn. Where's Matthew?
All right, team. So that was setting off. How many? 13?
No, only 12.
Only 12. 12 airbags inside a Cadillac. That's kind of what it looks like with a little bit of help from a pickaxe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and the link to the Canada Catalyst Andrew Moore's channel will be in the description below.
Brake is like in the ground.
Yeah.
That's not cut in like that.
It's been here for a while, I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's because of the weight of it. It just sunk itself into the ground.
That's crazy.
My only question is why.
And how did it do it so perfectly?
Well, the heat comes down, right? And it heats up the asphalt, and then
Becomes a little soft.
it becomes soft, and then the weight of the car it's not on tires anymore, right?
Yeah.
So all the weight are on small amounts on 4 parts
On
of the
road,
car,
yeah.
and it's just gonna sink right in.
Right.
So next time we see this car, we should expect it to be here.
Yep. And then eventually the car's
And then eventually it's gonna look like that, and then it's gonna look like that, and then it's gonna look like those, and then it's
problem.
done.
Those tires aren't flat. They're just sunken.
Yeah, no, those tires aren't flat. They're just in the ground.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
A little flat.